I believe China, Central Asian states, relationship now is on a very positive track, especially since the first summit between Chinese leaders and the leaders of all five Central Asian states. This kind of bilateral relationship is gaining further momentum and bringing more tangible benefits to the people of the region and to the people of China. Especially, there now has been a kind of mechanism in place, like China, Central Asia Foreign Secretariat has been operationalized in Xi'an, Shanxi Province, China. So I believe that a kind of frequent exchange of visits, a high-level communication maintained between China and the Central Asian states counterparts. So I'm of the view that in the coming days and the future, the China-Central Asian states relationship could be further developed because it's in the right side of history, and it's to the benefits of all the people, that wide, large population, including China and the Central Asian states. And it could also play a very pivotal role in shaping the regional dynamics for Central Asian states. So we are attaching great importance to our relationship with Central Asian states, and this needs a kind of mutual or bilateral investment. And I believe that with support from the public, from the international community, especially from the member states like Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, I believe this kind of relationship, partnership, could be growing from strength to strength. We are calling for a political settlement, a kind of frequent negotiation, asking all the stakeholders to be at the negotiating table, because we're not happy to see this kind of flaring up situation between Pakistan and Afghanistan. As I said on other multiple occasions, that neighbors can never ever change. Pakistan and Afghanistan, including China, we are neighbors. We are very closely neighbors. So this kind of military standoff or even skirmishes will not prevail ultimately. That's why, and we are also doing our efforts to bring the two countries, the two stakeholders, closer back to the negotiation track or through dialogue track. But our approach of diplomacy or foreign policy is a little bit different from other countries. We also support and welcome, Qatar, Turkish government to play their role, and we wish that we can reciprocate by doing our own way, and because we enjoy both, very good relationship, especially the political cooperation, not only with Pakistan but also with Afghanistan. And we have also some our legitimate concerns in Afghanistan, and we're opposed the cross-border attacks, cross-border terrorist attacks, and we respect the sovereignty, national integrity, territorial integrity of each and every country, including Pakistan, Afghanistan. So in the long run, I believe this relationship could be gaining a sense of normalcy only if these two countries could show their sincerity, could have the goodwill, could take stock of the people's interests first. Then they will further recover, regain, and flourish.